Everyone. This question is from one of the Indian MBA entrance exam called CAT, and let's see what we can do to solve this question. In this question, we are given that AD is equals to CD is equals to BC. Let's mark this on the figure. AD equals to CD equals to BC, and we can see that this angle BCE, is 96 degree. This angle is 96 degree, and we need to find this angle DBC. Let's mark this angle DBC. We need to find this angle. Okay, so let's see how we can find this angle. So first of all, let this angle A, be x degree. If this is x degree, then this angle ACD, will also be x degree, because these two angles are opposite to equal sides. Correct. Now look at triangle CAD. Now you know that sum of interior opposite angles is equals to the exterior angle in the triangle. Yes, these are the two interior opposite angles, and if we add them up, we will get the exterior angle, that is angle CDB. This will turn out to be 2x. Correct. Now look at triangle DCB. In triangle DCB, if you look, DC is equals to CB. DC is equals to CB, correct? Now, if these two sides are equal, the angles opposite to them will also be equal. That means angle CDB will be equal to angle CBD. Okay, both equals to 2x degree. This will also be 2x degree. Now, look at triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, which are the two interior opposite angles? Let's mark them. First angle is this angle's this on CBD. Yes, I'm coloring it with blue color. So angle CBD plus angle CAB. These are the interior opposite angles. Correct. If we add them up, we will get this exterior angle equals to 96 degree, right? So angle CBD. What is angle CBD? That is 2x. What is angle CAB? That is x, equals to 96 degree. 3x turns out to be 96. That means x turns out to be 32 degree. Correct. Now if x is 32, what will be 2x? Because we are not satisfied with x only. We need 2x. Why do we need 2x? Because we need to find angle DBC. Angle DBC. Yes, angle DBC will be 2x. 2x is 2 times 32 degree, which gives us 64 degree. So angle DBC will be 64 degree. This will be our final answer. This angle that we need to find out is 64 degree. I hope you have understood the solution. If yes, please like the video and subscribe the channel and share it with your friends.